Welcome to Seeds of Thought. Thanks for stopping by. Today we start with the bridge between knowing and doing. Now here's the truth. Information changes nothing. It's the execution that separates the dreamers from the doers. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a step-by-step 30-day combat plan to make these moves automatic, so natural that missing them feels wrong. No vague advice, no guesswork, just a mission you can start today. And if you stick with me for 30 days, you'll have built the discipline, systems, and habits that most people spend years trying to figure out. Week 1, secure the foundation, days 1 through 7. This week, you're not trying to master all 7 moves. You're locking in the 2 most critical, secure the high ground and the power strike. Morning setup, win the first 10 minutes before the world touches you. Gratitude, goals, visualization. Power strike, choose one high-leverage task each day that builds your income, impact, or skill. No distractions, 1 hour. Why only 2? Because stacking too much too soon breaks soldiers. We want victories, not burnout. Daily drill, write your morning setup steps the night before. Schedule your power strike in your calendar, same time every day. Week 2, strengthen the lines, days 8 through 14. Now you add the ally check and sharpen the blade. Ally check. Spend 5 minutes every Sunday auditing your circle. More time with pushers, less with pullers. Sharpen the blade. Learn something daily, but don't move on until you've applied it. Daily drill. End each day, write 1 sentence. Today I learned and write what you learned, and I applied it by. Write the date. Contact 1 pusher this week. Coffee, call, or collaboration. Week 3, build and scout, days 15 through 21. Now we add, build the fortress and scout the field. Build the fortress, spend 30 minutes daily on something that creates future income, a product, a system, an asset. Scout the field, 5-minute nightly debrief, what worked, what didn't, what's tomorrow's adjustment. Daily drill. Start each build session by asking, will this still pay me in 6 months? If not, adjust. Track your daily adjustments in a small notebook. This becomes your battle log. Week 4, seal the identity, days 22 through 30. Final piece, the oath. Pick 1 non-negotiable standard, physical, mental, or financial, and commit to it without exception for these last 9 days. It could be daily movement, daily journaling, or daily investing. No excuses, not on weekends, not on travel days, not when you're tired. Daily drill, track your oath like a soldier tracks ammunition. Every day it's done, it gets marked. If you miss it, the 30 days restart, no negotiations, end of 30 days. The upgrade moment, by the end of this combat plan, you'll notice mornings feel sharper. You can focus on what matters without chasing distractions. Your circle feels cleaner and more aligned. You've started stacking assets instead of just trading hours. Your oath has shifted your identity, and from here, it's not about maintaining, it's about advancing. If you're ready to take these 30 days and turn them into a 12-month campaign, the next video is your field manual. I'll show you how to scale each of these moves to build income, impact, and freedom for life. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the war room.